So, Rainbow John, I hear you're going to Victoria tomorrow, or the next day.
The next day, probably, because I have to complete.
Which would be Thursday.
Which would be Thursday, and I would like to
good.
get back, so I don't have to pay for travel on Friday, because it cost me $14 there and $14 back, which is an outrage for ferry fares.
Yeah, because it's free otherwise for seniors.
It is free for us seniors. We're very fortunate in that respect, yes. And we do have, it's our perks, for keeping our mouths shut and tolerating the degree of corruption.
Okay, so Thursday is still a free day, and that fits your schedule because you already got things planned for tomorrow.
That's right, yes.
Okay.
I got the forms already lined up.
And if you got these ladies waiting for you, that's good.
Yeah, I think it will. I'll phone them tomorrow and say, girls, I will be there tomorrow, but today I needed to rest from the sense of love that I gathered
now tell
from
them, outline what you're pressing.
Well, I'm pressing very simply that a judge in the Supreme Court of British Columbia issues an order following my requests to require of the Lieutenant Governor a yes or no whether he feels we should proceed with efforts to get none of the above on the ballot, having seen other efforts fail, and this option that I've been promoting for 15 years take on a reality in Canada that I think would become quite remarkably simple and understood.
And basically the paperwork hijacks him into having to give a yes or no.
Well, yes, it's true that my legal department, headed by none other than Mark Boyer, has come up with a beautiful piece of work in my view, and I read it through again today, every word of it, including my stuff, of course. And no, I think this is at least waterproof, if not a battleship.
It's bulletproof, except we are not.